Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make realistic oil sketch photo in Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. Then background layer, copy. Click on the adjust icon, select Hue Saturation. Then go to the image menu, click on the adjustment tool inverse and shortcut ctrl+I. Then change blending mode normal to color dot. Then go to the filter menu, click on the blur to gaussian blur and radius 14. Press ctrl+alt shift+E. Then go to the filter menu, click on the filter gallery, click on the sketch and select photocopy. Increase and decrease details and darken. Then OK. Change blending mode normal to soft light. Now we make a sketch photo. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe for more videos.